Welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new Toyota Fortuner 2026, a bold evolution of one of the most beloved SUVs in the world. If you're a fan of power, reliability, and presence on the road, you're going to want to stick around for this one. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Fortuner, it's clear Toyota isn't playing it safe. The design has taken a sharp, futuristic turn, with a more sculpted front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and an even more aggressive grille. The lines are muscular, yet elegant. This SUV looks just as at home in the city as it does on rugged trails. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to offer multiple engine options, with a strong focus on efficiency and performance. One of the biggest highlights is the rumored addition of a mild hybrid diesel option, something fans have been asking for. Imagine the torque of a diesel with the smoothness and fuel economy of hybrid tech. The Fortuner has always been known for its durability, and now it's stepping into a more sustainable future without compromising on power. In terms of performance, expect enhancements across the board. Whether it's the upgraded suspension system, better ground clearance, or improved off-road assist features, the 2026 Fortuner seems ready to tackle any terrain. Toyota's latest version of its four-wheel drive system could also bring smarter traction control and better hill descent capabilities, making this SUV a true off-road warrior. Inside, it's a whole new story. The cabin is more premium than ever. We're talking about high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a layout that finally brings the Fortuner up to par with more luxurious SUVs. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital driver's display, and possibly even a panoramic sunroof depending on the trim. Toyota is also stepping up in the safety department. Expect to see the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. With these upgrades, the Fortuner isn't just about muscle, it's about smart, confident driving. Now let's talk practicality. The Fortuner continues to be a true seven-seater, and Toyota has reportedly worked on improving the third-row space and rear AC vents, something customers have long asked for. Fold the seats down, and you've got massive cargo space, ideal for long road trips or even weekend camping getaways. Another interesting shift is in tech. Toyota is introducing more connectivity features, voice controls, and possibly even remote vehicle management through a smartphone app. So not only does it look modern, but it acts modern too. But all these changes come at a cost. We expect the price to climb slightly, especially with the hybrid variants. Still, when you compare it to rivals in its class like the Ford Everest, MG Gloster, or even some of the more premium offerings, the Fortuner still manages to hold its value in terms of reliability, resale, and long-term ownership costs. Customization is another area Toyota may expand in 2026, with new exterior colors, wheel designs, and even off-road specific packages. So whether you're an adventure junkie or a city cruiser, there's probably a Fortuner variant tailored for you. To sum it up, the Toyota Fortuner 2026 isn't just a refresh, it's a real step forward. It's tougher, smarter, more efficient, and more luxurious. Toyota has managed to keep the rugged DNA that fans love, while adding all the modern comforts that today's drivers expect. If you're thinking about upgrading your SUV, this one definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2026 Fortuner? Would you choose it over its rivals? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Dream Cars, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on the latest in automotive excellence. We've got more exciting reviews, comparisons, and future car previews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep chasing your dream car. See you in the next video.